Welcome to Racext, where we dive into the nuts and bolts of motorcycle maintenance, ensuring your ride is as smooth and safe as possible. Today, we're focusing on a crucial aspect of motorcycle upkeep, replacing the brake fluid. This is a vital procedure that not only enhances the performance of your motorcycle, but also ensures your safety on the road. Let's start by understanding why brake fluid replacement is essential. Over time, brake fluid absorbs moisture from the air, which can lead to a decrease in its boiling point and effectiveness. This can cause your brakes to feel spongy or less responsive, especially under heavy use. Therefore, regular replacement is key to maintaining optimal brake performance. First, you'll need to gather the necessary tools and materials. A new bottle of brake fluid. Ensure it meets your motorcycle manufacturer's specifications. A wrench set, a brake bleeder kit, or a clear tube that fits over the brake bleeder valve, and a container to catch the old fluid. Before we begin, safety is paramount. Make sure your motorcycle is securely positioned on a stable surface and wear protective gloves and eyewear to shield yourself from any spills or splashes. Start by locating the brake fluid reservoir on your motorcycle. It's usually found near the handlebars for the front brake and near the foot pegs for the rear brake. Open the reservoir cap carefully, as the fluid inside can be corrosive. If your motorcycle has both front and rear brakes, choose one to start with. Now connect your brake bleeder kit or clear tube to the bleeder valve located on the brake caliper. Place the other end of the tube into your container to catch the old fluid. Then, open the bleeder valve slightly with your wrench. With the valve open, slowly pump the brake lever or pedal to push the old fluid through the tube and into your container. It's essential to keep an eye on the brake fluid reservoir during this process to ensure it doesn't run dry, as introducing air into the system can complicate the bleeding process. Once the fluid starts to run clear, indicating that the old fluid has been flushed out, you can begin adding new brake fluid to the reservoir. Fill it to the recommended level, but avoid overfilling. After you've replenished the brake fluid, it's time to bleed the brakes to remove any air bubbles that may have entered the system. Continue to pump the brake lever or pedal while periodically opening and closing the bleeder valve until you see a steady stream of brake fluid without any air bubbles. Once you're satisfied that the air has been purged and the fluid level is correct, tighten the bleeder valve and replace the cap on the reservoir. Repeat the process for the other brake if necessary. To finish, test your brakes in a safe area before hitting the road. They should feel firm and responsive. If they feel spongy or unresponsive, you may need to bleed the system again to ensure all air has been removed. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your motorcycle's brake fluid, a key step in maintaining your bike's performance and safety. Remember, regular maintenance is the best way to ensure your motorcycle remains a reliable and enjoyable ride. Thanks for joining us at Racext. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to keep your motorcycle in top condition. Ride safe.
Unlock the secrets of motorcycle mechanics and elevate your skills with our expert-led course. Click the link in the description now and start your journey to mastery